Welcome back to our channel. Get ready to dive into the mind-blowing world of AI technology. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is shaping the present and future like never before. Join us on this exhilarating journey as we explore its mind-boggling applications, game-changing benefits, and the intriguing challenges it poses. Let's dive right in. What is AI? Let's start by demystifying AI. Imagine computers that can outsmart humans. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of these superintelligent systems that can solve problems, learn, make decisions, and even comprehend and respond to human language. It's like science fiction come to life. Mind-blowing applications. Brace yourself for the mind-blowing applications of AI that are transforming industries and making our lives extraordinary. Healthcare. Prepare to be amazed as AI helps diagnose diseases faster, analyze medical images with unprecedented accuracy, and predict patient outcomes, leading to a healthier and happier world. Autonomous vehicles. Buckle up for the ride of the future. AI is revolutionizing transportation with self-driving cars that perceive the environment, make split-second decisions, and navigate the roads flawlessly. The era of Jetsons-like transportation is here. Natural language processing. Say hello to the future of communication. AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants like Siri and Alexa understand and respond to human language, making our interactions with technology feel as natural as chatting with a friend. Financial services. Get ready for a financial revolution. AI algorithms analyze mind-boggling amounts of financial data, unveiling patterns, predicting market trends, and detecting fraud like never before. The stock market has a new superhero. Astonishing benefits. Hold on to your seats as we unveil the astonishing benefits AI brings to the table. Supercharged efficiency. Watch in awe as AI automates repetitive tasks, freeing up human resources for groundbreaking, creative endeavors that push the boundaries of innovation. Unparalleled precision. Witness the power of AI as it crunches mind-boggling amounts of data in mere seconds, making razor-sharp decisions that leave no room for human error. Precision is the name of the game. Enhanced safety. Experience a safer world powered by AI. In healthcare and transportation, AI technologies are saving lives, promoting safer practices, and minimizing risks. Your safety matters. Ethical frontiers. As we embark on this AI adventure, we must navigate the ethical frontiers it presents. Brace yourself for the following crucial considerations. Banishing bias. Let's strive for a fair and inclusive AI future. Unchecked biases within AI systems can lead to discrimination. We'll explore the measures taken to ensure fairness and inclusivity in the AI landscape. Fortifying privacy. Safeguarding your personal information is paramount. Discover the cutting-edge security measures that protect your privacy and shield AI systems from malicious threats. Your data is in good hands. Killing for the future. AI brings incredible opportunities, but it also alters the job market. We'll dive into how society can adapt and thrive by killing and upskilling to embrace the new employment landscape. Your future matters. Beyond the horizon. Brace yourself for what lies beyond the horizon of AI technology. We're talking mind-bending advancements in robotics, mind-reading AI, and AI is seamlessly integrated into every aspect of our lives. The future is closer than you think. That concludes our mind-expanding exploration of AI technology. We hope you found this video both enlightening and entertaining. If your mind is blown like ours, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with our mind-bending content. Share this video with your friends, and let's build a community of AI enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey, and we'll catch you in the future.